Next, I want to explain about the facial nerve. As we know, the facial nerve supply the muscle of facial expression. So this is all the muscle of facial expression. So you have learned this before, I think. And this nerve, muscle of facial expression supplied by facial nerve. So in this model, you can see the terminal branch. This is the terminal branches of the facial nerve. Remember, it emerged from the skull through the stylomastoid foramen, and from there, from the foramen, the nerve will enter the parotid gland. So this is a parotid gland. So we enter the substance of parotid gland, and from there, the facial nerve will branch into 5 terminal branches. So first you have the temporal branch. Temporal branch. It's a temporal branch, and then you have the zygomatic branch of facial nerve, zygomatic branch, and you have the buccal branch, and then you have the mandibular branch, and last branch is the cervical branch, not seen in this model. So these are the 5 terminal branches of facial nerve.